I just want to point out a few quality points that we really try to emphasize when we're manufacturing these doors. Historically, a one-piece thermofoil door has a bit of a reputation of delaminating. I'm sure you've all heard of that. It can potentially scare some customers away. If this door is going to delaminate, where will it delaminate? You're right, on the edge, not in the center of the panel. If it's going to come off, it's going to come off here on this edge. So what we do at Elias Woodwork is we make sure we use a double adhesive coat on that outer edge. Some manufacturers use a pre-glued vinyl, which is exactly what it is. It has the glue already applied. It is heated up and pressed onto the door. We don't believe in that process because the problem is there's not enough glue coverage on the edge. So what we do is we actually spray a coat of glue all the way around the outside edge and then again over the entire door. So we have double glue coverage there. Where the door is vulnerable for delaminating, we make sure it's well covered. Just a little information there about our doors.